so in order to produce the words, right? So it is not necessary that we will have a word of one letter only. So if this is the word which is based on the alphabet A, and this is A only, then what are the important points with this? This is one length word. One length word. So means what? This is a word with only one alphabet, and the length of the word is one only. But is it the case true for everything, everyone? No. In case for every language it is different. So means what? We do have a representation as one length word to n length word as well as empty word. So not to represent this kind of mechanism, since we are dealing with a very systematic way, we have closures on regular expression. What we have? uh, Closures. Okay, and there are two closures defined. Okay, there are two closures here. What are they? The first closure is called star, and second closure is called as plus. Now here, if you look at this star, you need to understand this point. Star is what? This is called as clean closure. This is called as plus closure. Okay, this is called as plus closure. Now, clean closure says that it is zero or more. Okay, and this is plus is called as one or more. Now, what is zero or more means what? The length of the word may be zero or more length. Here, minimum length of the word is one or more. So if you wish to represent zero, this becomes empty string, right? And in case of more, there are certain concatenation of the symbols. If it is, say, if the language is based on only one symbol, you have a concatenation of that one symbol up to n number of times, or zero number of times. If it is zero, null gets produced. One or more, in that case, if it is, say, you have a language based on alphabet A, and then it may have a words of one length to n length. So it means if it is based on one alphabet only, it may have n number of concatenation to that particular alphabet only. So let us try to take an example so that this will become easy for you to understand. See, for example, you have a language L, which is based on set of alphabet here, sigma, such that sigma is containing A only and being defined by A star. Now, please try to understand. Star is a closure. Now, see here, closure is on A only. So, how you are going to understand this? See, this is applied on A. So, closure is applied on A, which means that you have either a zero occurrence of this A or more occurrence of A. So, in case when if it occurs zero occurrence, it is being substituted as epsilon, then one occurrence, then two occurrence, then three occurrence, so many, so forth. So in short, how we are going to define it as, say, a raised to 0, a raised to 1, a raised to 2, a raised to 3, dash. So now here, please try to understand that here in general sense, a raised to 0 is 1. Okay, but since 1 is not a allowed letter of a language, then a raised to 0 here signifies that empty string. This is really very important concept, empty string, and this empty string is represented by null. In some book it is being referred as epsilon. In some book it is being referred as caret position. Okay, so this is caret, this is epsilon. So they both are being represented as empty, or this is null string. Okay, so here 0 or more occurrences. Okay, now in case if it is one occurrence, one or more occurrence, so you have to define that you have a language L based on set of alphabet sigma such that it is containing A and the regular expression is defined by A plus. So in this case, what you have A, and so many, so forth. Okay, in short, it starts with A raised to 1, A raised to 2, A raised to 3, So what is clear distinction here in case of star and in case of plus? Here you need to understand this. In case of star and in case of plus, in case of star, you have to start with a raised to 0, and in case of plus, you have to start with a raised to 1. So I hope you understand this